Okay guys, let's open up our terminal and uh, click over here the CMD and delete this PowerShell. Okay, so if your virtual environment is not automatically not activated, then you have to run this command nb/scripts/activate. Okay, so then your virtual environment will be activated. After that, just go to our project folder and run python manage.py run server. Okay, so just click over that and okay, paste here, and this is just what here, this where we left. Okay, so okay, so let's set up our static template in here. So first of all, I am going to show you that I'm going to use this one tech template, okay, for this website. So I'm going to use this as our basic template. So move this file, copy all of the files, copy. Okay, then okay, let's go here and type here setup static files in Django. Okay, and go to the official website, and then the static URL to static what we should we have in somewhere in here. Okay, look at that, it already has the URL, so we have to just load the static into our template. Okay, so we also need this static directory. This should be, we should use this for only in our this production environment. If we deploy the site, we should use the root, static root, or we also need this static root. Let's comment this. We're going to need the static root function for deployment. Okay, so now we only use static URL and static files directory. So yeah, okay, then copy this 2 from here and go to our URLs and paste here, and then we should copy this thing from here, and we also want to paste this here. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go. So we have copied the file, remember, we have copied these things. Okay, just copy all of them, copy all of the folders, and this root should has a new folder called static. Okay, then reveal in the file explorer and then paste all the template folders. Okay, so yeah, okay, we should do one more thing. We should go to here and let's open up our index.html. Open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, we are going to copy all of this. Let's copy all of that. Okay, we have successfully copied, and then we are going to pass that in our home.py. Okay, so just save it, and we should load the tag from here. Load static. Okay, static is done, so let's type here. Okay, this static, and then should also we want to only one parenthesis. Okay, then you should copy that and give all here. Okay, copy them, copy them, copy them, and then should okay, click save. Okay, we have successfully loaded the CSS. Let's check from here, click refresh, and yeah, the static template has been loaded. So the image is not loaded. You can see that we have to load the static files. So let's okay, go to the down, and then click over the alt and right click over mouse. Then you will have this shortcut. Okay, so now you can write anything. Static. Okay, so it was very wonderful. Alt and right click, alt and right click. This is a Visual Studio Code shortcut, so it saves a lot of time of copy paste. So yeah, click save, and then we should refresh this, and you should see some things like this. Only the images are not loaded. We are going to load the images too. First of all, click view page source, and you will see that our Django has been loaded. The files, the static files, all of them here, and all of them here. Okay, so we have successfully loaded JS and CSS files. So now we are going to load up the images. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, click alt and left click or right click on your mouse. Static. Okay, this image should be loaded in the down. Okay, this is here. Okay, this is the images. It has loaded. Okay, let's run the, let's check up for the other images. So here is one. Okay, so static.png. So yeah, it's done. So check up the images and then you should click static and then okay, go. Okay, I have mistake here. It's done. So click over this and this should static. Then okay, we have also have one here and one here. So the slider, this was the slider. So slider images are loaded. So you have to do the same things, same thing over and over again. I'm going to copy this everywhere. Okay, this and this and miss to click over and so let's give them static. Okay, we need a percentage sign in here. What was the sign? And then we need, okay, so let's copy again and just check for images. Okay, let's load the images. What's wrong somewhere? Static. Am I mistaken somewhere? Think we have here is the mistake. The D from here. Also have one is going on? Should be fine now. So yeah, this images is loaded, you can see that. Okay, so we need to load all of these images. So let's load up all of the images. After that, going to show you. Okay guys, so we have successfully loaded all of our images. So after that, you should see something like this. Our theme is perfectly loaded in Django. We have successfully set up our static files with Django, so you can see we are in the server. So we don't actually not actually we don't need all of the images loaded uh, right now, because we are going to add these products from backend. So if you don't want to load all of these images, that's fine, you can also continue. So this is it guys, I will see you in the next video. We have to make this website uh, workable. So if we click over this add to cart button, it will not work. Okay, so this is it guys, I will see you in the next video.